For over 2 decades, Japan has been the world's banker of cheap money. Investors borrowed yen at nearly zero interest, converting it into dollars, euros, or pounds to chase higher returns abroad. It fueled massive profits, bubbles, and financial expansion, a quiet tide that lifted global markets. But every tide the yen carry trade became an invisible engine behind global wealth. Hedge funds, corporations, and even central banks depended on it. The cheap yen made everything seem easy, but this comfort came with hidden danger. If Japan ever raised rates, or if the yen suddenly strengthened, the entire system could unwind overnight. As inflation rose and Japan's economy began to shift, the Bank of Japan faced pressure to end its zero-rate policy. The mere hint of tightening sent shockwaves through markets. Currencies moved violently, and investors scrambled to unwind their yen positions, a $20 trillion chain reaction that few could stop. When the yen carry trade unwinds, it doesn't just affect Japan. It ripples through every corner of global finance. Emerging markets lose capital, stock markets fall, and the dollar becomes unstable. It's a reminder that global wealth is built on fragile, interconnected bets. Analysts estimate the total exposure linked to the yen carry trade could exceed $20 trillion. That's more than the entire GDP of the United States in a year. Yet, most of this debt lives in the shadows, invisible to regulators, hidden in derivatives, and buried in hedge fund strategies. If Japan finally raises rates and the yen surges, investors could be forced to reverse decades of trades instantly. Assets would be sold, currencies would swing, and liquidity would vanish. The same machine that created global growth could now destroy. The yen carry trade reminds us that financial systems thrive on confidence and collapse when that confidence fades. Behind the charts and headlines lie human decisions, greed, and fear. The $20 trillion threat isn't just about money. It's about trust in a world built on. As the yen carry trade unwinds, one question remains. Who will be caught when the music stops? The markets are holding their breath, waiting for the next move. From Tokyo,